Ever tried finding a truly free AI tool that turns images into videos, and felt completely let down? Same here. Most tutorials are straight up clickbait, hyping tools that claim to be free. Some charge you right away, others tease you with a few credits and then slam a paywall. And the rare ones that let you export huge watermarks or video quality so bad it's basically unusable. I'll show you how to do that step by step 100% free. So first thing is to go to ChatGPT and create a simple image of your video, like for example we are going to create an image of a monkey on a supermarket. You can create whatever you want. Then download this image into your PC. If you complete this step now we have to animate this image, so go to Discord using the link below in the description. After that when this page appears click on that box that shows Video Arena 1, next write a slash and choose Image to Video. Then upload your image that you created 2 minutes ago right here and write your prompt, that's it. You just wait under 10 minutes and your video will be ready to download 100% free. And here is our videos with no watermarks, but remember there is a logo in the end of the video, remove it with small editing. If that solves your problem, like the video and subscribe for more.